Choosing the right laptop for video editing is important because creators need fast performance, a color-accurate display, strong graphics power, and reliable battery life. After comparing expert reviews, performance tests, and real user feedback, these 5 laptops stand out as the best choices for YouTubers, filmmakers, photographers, and digital creators in 2026. Number 1. Asus ProArt P16. The Asus ProArt P16 is purpose-built for professional creators and is widely regarded as one of the best Windows laptops for video editing in 2026. Powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU, up to 64GB LPDDR5X RAM, and ultra-fast PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage, it delivers excellent performance in Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, After Effects, Blender, and Photoshop. Its 16-inch 3K OLED touchscreen covers 100% DCI, P3, is Pantone validated, factory calibrated, and supports HDR, making it ideal for professional color grading and photo editing. Reviewers consistently praise its sustained performance, creator-focused features like the Asus Dial Pad and SD Express card reader, and quieter cooling compared with many gaming laptops. Real owners frequently mention smooth 4K and 8K timeline playback, fast rendering, and premium build quality, although some report the laptop can become warm during extended rendering sessions and recommend purchasing an extended warranty because Asus support experiences vary by region. If your work depends on professional video editing, motion graphics, or AI-powered creative applications, the ProArt P16 is one of the strongest Windows laptops you can buy today. Number 2. Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i. The Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i offers an outstanding balance between performance, portability, and display quality, making it a favorite among YouTubers, photographers, and graphic designers. Equipped with Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, dedicated NVIDIA RTX 5050 or RTX 5060 graphics, depending on configuration, and up to 64GB RAM, it handles demanding creative applications with ease. Its standout feature is the 16-inch mini LED display, which delivers exceptional brightness, HDR performance, and highly accurate colors suitable for professional editing. Independent reviewers praise its premium aluminum construction, comfortable keyboard, and quiet cooling system, while many users report excellent battery life and a refined everyday experience. Compared with the Asus ProArt P16, the Yoga Pro 9i sacrifices a small amount of GPU performance, but offers a more portable design and a matte display that reduces reflections during editing. For creators seeking premium features without stepping into workstation-class pricing, the Yoga Pro 9i delivers exceptional value. Number 3. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Although designed primarily as a gaming laptop, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 has become one of the most recommended portable laptops for video creators thanks to its impressive combination of performance and mobility. Configurations featuring AMD Ryzen AI processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 to RTX 5070 graphics deliver excellent acceleration for Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Blender. The 14-inch OLED display offers full DCI, P3 color coverage, vibrant HDR support, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for editing on the move. Independent testing shows that the G14 performs exceptionally well for creative workloads, although Intel and NVIDIA combinations may still hold a slight advantage in certain Adobe applications. Users consistently praise its lightweight design, premium build quality, and excellent battery life for a high-performance laptop, while common criticisms include louder fans and higher surface temperatures during long rendering sessions. If you frequently travel and need one laptop for editing, gaming, and productivity, the Zephyrus G14 remains one of the best all-around choices available. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Ultra combines premium design with serious creative performance, making it an excellent choice for photographers, video editors, and professionals invested in the Samsung ecosystem. Powered by Intel Core Ultra processors and dedicated NVIDIA RTX 5070 laptop graphics, it delivers strong performance for 4K editing, AI-assisted creative tools, and multitasking. Its stunning 16-inch AMOLED display produces rich contrast, vibrant colors, and excellent HDR performance, making long editing sessions enjoyable and accurate. Professional reviewers praise its slim aluminum chassis, impressive battery life, and excellent display quality, while noting that it lacks creator-focused features such as an SD card reader and offers fewer ports than some competitors. Owners consistently appreciate its quiet operation, premium feel, and lightweight design, making it an ideal laptop for creators who value both aesthetics and performance. Although it commands a premium price, the Galaxy Book 6 Ultra is one of the most polished Windows laptops available for creative professionals. Number 5. Dell XPS 13. The Dell XPS 13 remains one of the most attractive ultrabooks for students, bloggers, photographers, and creators who focus on light to moderate editing workloads. Featuring the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, Intel Arc integrated graphics, and Dell's signature premium aluminum design, it excels in portability, battery life, and everyday productivity. The high-resolution display delivers excellent color accuracy for photo editing and social media content creation, but the absence of a dedicated NVIDIA GPU limits its performance in demanding 4K or 8K video editing projects. Independent reviewers continue to praise the XPS series for its build quality, comfortable keyboard, and excellent battery endurance, while recommending larger XPS models for professionals who regularly work with heavy editing tasks. If your workflow consists of YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Lightroom editing, blogging, or occasional Premiere Pro projects, the XPS 13 offers a premium experience without the size and weight of a workstation-class laptop.